Two caregivers on each side of the Wisconsin-Illinois border are coming out of retirement, compelled by the Supreme Court decision to overturn Roe v. Wade and joining forces for abortion access.
The goal is to help people in our area get treatment where it is still legal. They opened a new clinic in Rockford just last week. Tahalil Mohadeen made the drive there this morning and has the story.
Leadership at the Rockford Family Clinic started planning for this facility as soon as they realized Wisconsinites were at risk of losing abortion access. Now, with their doors officially open, they say the calls for help are pouring in. For Meg Larkin, being a caregiver her whole life comes naturally.
What gets to me the most is that there are people in need.
So when she was asked by a former colleague to step in as center administrator for a new medical abortion clinic in Rockford, Illinois,
I said, sign me up.
The request came from Madison-based Dr. Dennis Christensen.
I felt compelled, because I've been doing this for the past 50 years, to try and ease the burden on the patients that I had been serving.
Since June, Christensen had been working to open a place that would provide pill-based abortions to people in Wisconsin, even paying out of pocket to make it happen. Why make that commitment?
Well, it seemed the quickest way to get it done.
Last Friday, Rockford Family Planning saw its first patient, but getting to that point meant dealing with some community pushback.
Basically, Illinois has become a death destination for people from other states.
For months, members of the Rockford Family Initiative, an anti-abortion group, have been protesting the clinic in part because of its location.
It's just not fair to the people who live in this residential neighborhood to have this right next door to them.
But for clinic leaders, that hasn't been an issue. They say the community support is there, and that when it comes to providing abortion access, opposition just comes with the territory.
There is something extremely fulfilling in being able to do something that is so meaningful, even if it does mean you work in the trenches.
In Rockford, Illinois, Tahalil Mohadeen, News 3 Now.
Construction is underway for a second clinic that will add surgical abortions to Rockford Family Planning's care options. Administrators say if all goes well, they expect it to open in April.